Hello, I'm George Reader from the Family Day Trippers. Today you join us from Cotswold Wildlife Park, somewhere in Oxfordshire, I'm not really sure. But it's actually our first time getting footage from around the park. Now we're going to be doing it slightly different than the way we vlog today. We're actually going to be doing the audio of the vlogging while the shots are happening. So doing a sit down vlog like this, only the opening and closing vlog are going to be like this. The rest of it's going to be a voiceover, the footage that Shane and I will be getting from around the park today. So let's get on with it. And here we go, into the walled garden. And round here, 2 penguins. I've completed the penguins and we now head round towards the meerkats. Let's go. Down here we have a meerkat trying to escape. He's just trying to get down underneath this wall, but I imagine this wall will go down a long way to prevent this from happening, as meerkats are natural diggers. There is a flamingo behind that tree. He's hiding.
Oh, flamingo.
Yours are not flamingo.
Oh, there ain't a flamingo. It's coming to. It's an Ava bird. Yep, sure. Let's go for that. He's coming into the water. This is live action. Going back, it used to be a walkthrough attraction, but since about 2017 it hasn't been. I don't really know why. And there are they're not prairie dogs. No, they have to be prairie. They are prairie dogs. There are the prairie dogs.
Oh, look at him.
It's feeding.
Prairie dog.
It's feeding. Very good. And the otters, the prairie dogs are actually really good. And they're on a roll, the otters, they're on a roll. So here they are. They're just playing around. I don't know if they're in the water or not. Looks like they're doing it. Maybe grooming each other or something. The crown Pacifica, monkey lemur sort of thing. So, here we've got the emperor tamarin, the others were cotton top tamarin, but there we go. So, these are the lovebirds. I hope you can hear me over them, the black-cheeked lovebirds. I hope you can hear me over them, they're really quite loud, quite squawky. Is the lesser visa parrot thing. Here we have a stork. We've just done the lemur black stork through. So here we go. We're about to enter the tropical. Yeah, I'm opening it. Right, you have to close that door before you can open. Still, everyone come in. Everyone come in. You can just see inside there. And get ready to be hit by a massive lot of heat. Oh, and birds! Bird. There's a bird as we walk through here. More birds, lots of birds. Amphibious stuff. And bacon like a... There we go, some more birds there. Oh, something running across. So, we have just headed out of the secret garden, the walled garden, I called it the secret garden. That's the restaurant in the Alton Towers Hotel. We're heading there later on this year. But here is some look at some white birds. Gotta love those white birds. And there we have an eagle. We're now walking up towards the bat and reptile houses. So here are all the fruit bats.
They're eating bugs.
Are you going to, can you go in?
No, that's keepers, Jane.
Oh, keepers. You know that plant that we put in our garden with the purple flowers?
So that completes the walk round of the bat house. Next we are going to definitely head into the reptile house. reptile house here at Cotswold Wildlife Park. But it was very good, very interesting. Next we're going to head into the Siamang. Here are another outdoor pen of the Amazon Siamang exhibit. Here is the red panda exhibit at Cotswold Wildlife Park. Very good. This is the rhinoceros past, if you want to call it. I don't know if you can see the rhinoceros over there. It looks quite good. I'll get some, there's lots more over there. I'll get some more close-up footage as we walk over there. So, we have just done the rhino thing. We just looked at some rhinos, and now we're heading towards another part of the park where there's a little walk through and a few more actually African animals.
Come on, try again. Quick. He's not watching. I'm scared, yeah. Come and chase me.
Or some baby deer or something like that. But we've just done Little Africa, quite a good long dark walk through. We are now here at the giraffes. Some zebra. Also with the zebra is a baby zebra, whatever you want to call it. We now enter the walkthrough because, and there looks like there's lots of animals in there. So, this is wildfowl. Lots of ducks on the lake here. Lots of, and some flamingos right at the back there, but Shane will get a better zoom in on his big camera. On my behalf, they were not swans or albatross or whatever I called them, they are pelicans. Here is a wolf. It's the first wolf we've seen on the little wolf walkway. I think we have wallabies, I think we have wallabies. Although wallabies or maybe kangaroos, but I'm betting on wallabies. There's some more in that black pen over there. We have some capybara. But there's some capybara. There's a train. Choo-choo. This is 8,109 train. Now entering the children's farmyard, and here we have some guinea pigs. Oh, nice. So, we're now going in to the goats. We're actually going to go see some goats. I'm quite excited about this. It's always good fun because this was closed last year actually due to COVID, as you would imagine. But we are in with the goats now. Hello. I'm not a massive fan of goats, I'm not going to lie. There's a bit of a story to it. So I was on a horse yard once, and there was a goat there who was crazy. He chased people, he tried to attack people with his horns, and that's the story really. Now we've got some miniature donkeys here. Lovely miniature donkeys. And then we've got a massive black cow. Those are Dexter, they're very tasty. If you're going to buy a cow, buy some Dexter, it's very tasty. There are the pigs. Lovely. Let's get on this train. Choo choo. Just done the Cotswold Wildlife Park train. It was very good, we got lots of footage, and now we're heading in to the wolverines. We've seen clouded leopards here at Cotswold Wildlife Park, and we're now going to make our way back towards the entrance. Cotswold Wildlife Park. We saw lots of animals, rhinos, lions. We've got lots of footage, lots of talking. But anyway, we must make our journey home and end our incredible day. So, if you can, make sure you like this video, as it helps out the channel. If you're not already, subscribe with notifications on so you know when the latest family day trip videos are coming out. If you want to say hi, make a suggestion or have a question, please post it down in the comment section. Until next time, we're the Family Day Trippers. Goodbye.